Hello everyone, my name is Ilir. I'm the owner of Freedom Tech, the repair store in Holland, Michigan. Today I wanted to talk about this problem with Element-Roku TV, and this is very common to, right now it's E4ST651RKU. So it's a Roku TV. Typically, a lot of the customers bring these TVs after a year of a usage because they encounter this issue that you're probably going to see right now. So I've already opened up the TV, and when you turn it on, so partially some of the lights are on, but this strip of light here, it's off. And then they're flickered. So if you have a TV on, this would actually look like maybe like bright in one side and darker on the other. It's because this light here. But also, if you see, if I shake them, so they lose power. You can see. They're not bad LCDs. The issue of this TV is that they have a bad connection, which is in between the lights, right? I mean, it's shiny, but if I move them, they're actually keep going up and down. So the fix for this, it's very simple. You don't have, I mean, if you do have a little bit of a skill to open yourself, I recommend a professional should do the job. But if you want to tackle, you can. All you need to do is, in this case, I'm gonna have to turn it off because the brightness is way too much for it. So in this case, what you need to do is right in between them two. So you need to unhook, like unscrew over here, and then either push it a little bit in, or you release a little bit, and then wherever you find the spot that the LEDs were working, right there, either you tape it or use maybe some strong tape to keep them together. And then once you put it together, you should be ready to work. Like I said, there is no problem with LEDs. The problem is in between the connection. So this is a very common issue with this series of TVs. But if you see that there is a dark spot and a bright spot, that means your LEDs are fine, but the connection in between where the two lights connect together, they're actually bad. So that's all I got for you. Time to time, I put videos to explain the problem, not to encourage anyone to just do it because they see the video. You need to have a little bit of experience to do that. But if you like the video, thumbs up. Other than that, just keep subscribing on my channel for more videos. Thank you and have a great day.